Tyree, loser, low life, racist. The little guy tried to get tough on the phone. I got 5 whips, 5 luxury cars. I got a mansion, and I'm sitting on $4,600. Don't you ever say nothing to me. B, you B? Yeah. You ain't gonna say nothing to me again. Are you little punk? You little B? Nigga, boy. That little guy's voice went off, didn't it? I guess he was tough talking me, I guess. Or tough talking somebody. We don't know yet. It's just real funny how he just think, because he act like he wasn't like going to say anything, like because he knows if he do it, that means he's listening. But if he don't do it, he might look like a little sissy too. If he do it, that means he's listening. If he don't do it, he's a sissy. So that little idiot loser had a very hard decision to make. You know, see, Tyree, loser. You will always be a punk. You will always be a little bitch. You know why, bro? Because you did all that tough talking, and you did all that tough talking telling a lie. See, you know when see what happened when you tell lies so bad, saying you got this, saying you got that. You have to keep saying it, because you can't all of a sudden be like, oh, I don't got all this stuff no more, because people could be like, well, why not? And you don't have an answer of why don't you have these 5 luxury whips and these mansion down by Mexico. See, now you gotta accept it now, and everybody and mama know you ain't nothing. You have nothing. You have absolutely nothing. And you know it. You hate that you walk yourself into this situation for no reason whatsoever. Then on top of that, you literally trying to act like you're sick or mentally sick now. See, that's what weak men like you do. Y'all have no balls. You got girly balls, you know. Girly balls that run and hide, and fake injuries and fake mental problems. See, that's what softies like you do. Y'all soft, you know. You ain't no ifs, ands, buts about it. You soft as butter, bro. That's exactly what you are. You are soft as butter. So, quicker you accept that, the quicker you stop embarrassing yourself with all this stupid tough talking you try to do, because you're not tough, bro. You're not tough, man. Stop trying to be. You're not tough. You can't go one day all clean shaven and all nerdy looking and all this and that, talking about how shame on people to say something about you. Bro, if that wasn't the biggest pussy performance ever, ever heard in my life. You know, you want sympathy. Like I said before, did you give that nigger sympathy? Did you get that spick sympathy? Did you get that Jew sympathy when you was laughing and joking and high-fiving? Oh, but now that your soft butt about to take an L, about to get off YouTube, because this is never going to stop. It's never going to stop until you complete the pussiness in you and get off YouTube, or admit that you lied about everything you said. Then maybe you can stay on YouTube. But I gotta tell you in a little secret though. If you don't do it before I get you, I'm going to put that on YouTube.
Thank you.
So that's a little secret I had to tell you. So you really don't know how much time you have. So you better do it. And let's get this real clear. Ain't nobody gotta use no weapon on you. Ain't nobody gotta use no more than need to jump you. No. This is gonna be me. And millions of YouTubers. You know, the niggers, the spicks, the Jews, you know, those people gonna be watching, because you will be begging for us to forgive you. And we gonna say we came because Aunt your mama is going to make some pancakes. She made some good pancakes, so we're gonna eat these Aunt your mama pancakes first. Yeah. And then for lunch probably we're gonna be eating some bomb tacos, you know, because I don't care what nobody say, racist or not, David Duke or not, you love some tacos. They the bomb. Everybody and mama eat them. Let's just be real here. They are literally like gold when you drunk or high at 1, 2 in the morning, and you had a beautiful night. You know, looking good, smelling good, talking even better. And you get some Taco Bell at the end of the night. If you ain't smashing some cooch around that time, you go get something to eat from the Bell. You go back home. If you're married, you might get some. If you got a fiance and you might still get some if you don't come in too late. But if you do come in too late, you say, hey, at least I got the tacos, man, to eat Taco Bell. Granted, it ain't real tacos. It's terrible food, but God dang it, when it's 2, 3 in the morning, it's like mother effing caviar. Real talk. So, for lunch, we're going to be eating tacos. Now, for dinner, Jews. See, I don't know what Jew. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know too much Jewish food I've ate in my life, so I can't really comment on that, but it gotta be something good to eat for dinner. Cause they all ain't 110 pounds, you know what I mean? Let's be real here. So, yeah, so us three gonna be doing that as I'm whooping your tail. So, you can beg for me to stop. See, you gotta have one thing going for you. I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a bad guy at all. Actually, I kind of, you my friend, I'm your friend. I would have your back to the end. If I know you real, you ain't no fake. It is what it is. And we connect. Hey, you have a friend for life. But you screw me, or you try to play me for stupid, you have an enemy for life. Real talk, bro. Real mother effing talk. So, back to your little corny outbursts. Bro, you soft as butter. Jesus Christ, you soft as butter. Straight up. How you gonna talk trash laying in the bed? Laying in the bed. Trying to talk tough. You decide that is gonna get everybody, get the females' panties wet, and everybody just gonna be like, woo, Tyree is back in business. Or like you say, your careers, not careers. I didn't know trying to rap on YouTube is a career. I never knew that. And second, I never knew being terrible means you have a career. Bro, you couldn't rap in one of those corny commercials, you see football players on like a commercial about back problems, or you need icy hot for your back problems. You know those terrible looking football players? Well, that would be you as a rapper. And you would think you got a career, because they'd be like, cut. Good one, Tyree. You got through that one. That's pretty good. You would take that as, oh, they know I'm the stuff. So, don't ever say you got a career again. Man, it's dogs on YouTube that have better rap career than you will have. I mean, bro, you are terrible. And I'm not just saying this because I'm going to whoop your tail. I'm saying this because you are terrible. Terrible. You would be like, bro, when you rap, man, somebody should call the police on you, because there's kids on this goddamn YouTube sometimes, and you be rapping like that, scaring them like that, thinking somebody like you gotta go get to rap all the time, hurt their dreams, scare them to death because they hear your voice. What the heck is you thinking, bro? Thinking you got a career in rapping? Bro, I can go all night with you with this, let alone your little rap career. It's not even mention your paperweights just happen to come up missing and gone. You haven't been wearing it. Haven't seen that disgusting Booker Field ring in them. Wow. And that stupid necklace you bought. Jesus Christ. You need to stop giving me material, bro. It ain't even fun. You are that terrible. You stink, bro. You stink. You're terrible at rapping, terrible at fighting. You know, I didn't know Special Olympics held boxing matches in yards and look like in a park. I thought they did it somewhere nice and warm and stuff, but hey, each to their own. Y'all two wanted to box, and they had to come up with a time and place for y'all two Special Olympics to box. Looking terrible, stupid with those football mouthpieces in your mouth. Couldn't barely even talk. Hey, idiots. You should have formed it, then cut the end off, because you look stupid. Oh, God. Man. You just a great loser, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I would give you that honor. You are the biggest loser. You are good at it, bro. Then you sprinkle in your stupidity. Then you sprinkle in your disgusting nose picking thing. Jesus, I never been nobody dig up his nose that much. What else is out there? Bro, you are digging for boogers that ain't no tomorrow. I used to work with a guy. He used to pick his nose every day and then pick that same finger in his mouth on the bridge of his mouth. Pick the booger up there and literally be doing it and don't even realize me and my man Sam was just sitting there looking at him, dick up his nose like, Jesus Christ. It got so bad that our main manager had to tell him to stop. You know how disgusting that is? Seeing a grown man dick up his nose and then look at you and start talking like nothing. Like nothing. You know how disgusting that is, bro? And you do it on YouTube. Maybe that's a career for you. Oh, there you go, bro. Digging up your nose, bro. Hey. You show people how to use left and right hand, right to left hand. You can sway them back and forth and dig up there as far as you need. You know, I mean, it's a career, right? You said you got a career. It just ain't in rap, bro. Once again, I'm going back to that. Do not rap anymore. There's kids on this YouTube, and I will be forced to call the police on you and tell them to arrest you because you are committing crimes against all human, the whole human race. You have committed a crime against. So don't rap no more. But once again, bro, don't ever come on here again asking for forgiveness, asking for sorrow. Don't you ever do that again, bro. Because you didn't give us no apology or no sorry or no I'm wrong. Not one of us. Quite frankly, we don't want it from your nasty butt anyway. So, once again, $1,000. Put it up. I put it up. Let's get it on. Everywhere but your little buddy David Duke's house. You know, I can't go there, bro. Can't do that. But anywhere else, bro. Take this butt whooping like a man, because you go get it, bro. I'm serious as a heart attack. Let's be real frank here, too. I ain't just doing it for that. I'm doing it for some reason. Freaking, man, you talked about women, too. You know, you talk about them like dirt. Because you know you can never get a real woman. That's why that chick actually left you. She ain't no idiot. She knew if she stayed with you, she was going down that Loserville River. She knew to jump off that, bro. And she did it beautifully. But you're a slime ball, bro. Because you talk about women for no reason. You know, I don't care about you talking about the ones that are just grimy women and leave their kids. You know, they don't act like they don't have no responsibility. Talk about those scumbags, but not the good ones. You know the good ones, single parents that still had their kids in order. She ruined that. She used to she roll that house like an iron fist. And you know what? Those are the women I'm standing up for. The women that are good parents, good woman to their husband. That's the ones I'm gonna beat you up for. Is those ones. Because my aunt raised me. My aunt and uncle raised me by marriage. You know what? She had her faults, and trust me, she did some questionable things. I might still think it ain't right, but anyway. We respected the hell out of her. When that car came pulling up in the driveway from work, you seen 3 to 4 men running like, oh Jesus, I do not want to get caught when she come in the house because she gonna have us doing stuff and she might smack the piss out of us for us doing something, and we ran like cowards. Every last one of us. Until she got comfortable and we knew there wasn't no casualties coming. We couldn't wait to talk to her. Because we loved her. And she ran that house the way a woman supposed to run a house, with all boys and one female in there. So I'm gonna whoop your tail for women like that. That's why you get your tail whooped. Or you be a man and get off YouTube. Or you can be real and tell the truth that you ain't nothing, you're a liar. So you got your choice. But just remember, I don't want you to forget this, bro. I'm still gonna whoop your tail, bro. You can take it how you want it. You're a scumbag and you need to pay for that. So, like you say, pay homage.